quick shout out to Casper Paolo. He's a filmmaker, and I think he's gonna start vlogging. I'll put the link to his channel in the description. You should check him out, he's cool. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today my family is going up to Hartford to see my grandma, and we're gonna go hiking around this reservoir. I have this bag which has the drone strapped to the back, and then I have the controller. Everything is half charged up, but I'm gonna charge it in the car. In Hartford now. Just got to West Hartford. This is like kind of downtown West Hartford, so it's like where a lot of the stores are. It's just my mom, my dad, and my little sister here. My older sister has school this week, but they just went out to walk the dog because we brought the dog with us. But in like 15 minutes, we're gonna go visit my grandma. She lives close to here, but I'm staying here because they're only gonna be out for like 10 minutes. And then I didn't know if we wanted to leave the drone there like that because someone would probably come in our car and steal it. Someone could come in our car and steal it. So I'm staying here with that and then I'd have to attach it to the bag and like get everything in my bag. And it's only like 5 to 10 minutes, so it won't be that long. So I'm just staying here. Charging went pretty well in the car. I was charging my phone. My phone was charging really slowly because I was listening to music, but it charged up a little bit. I charged the drone battery, which I think is fully charged now. Or I think it still has a little bit longer to go. It has the 4 green bars, but when it's done charging, it usually will stop blinking, and it hasn't done that yet. So I'm just letting that charge. And then this is the drone body. The propellers are in my bag. Stay tuned for the next vlog, or the vlog after, like 2 vlogs after this. I'm gonna do a whole video about this backpack. This is my like vlogging, adventuring, filming, droning backpack. So that's where I carry all my camera gear and all the droning gear. And I'll talk about how I strap the drone to it. I'll talk about what bag it is and like if I recommend it, which I definitely do. And I'll do a whole video about that in like the next vlog. Also, in the next vlog, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of all the things, the little vlogging accessories, not vlogging accessories, but they're just things to help me with vlogging. So I got, I think, an SD card reader, a Joby Gorilla Pod, and 3 extra GoPro batteries with a charging hub to charge them all in. So I'll do an unboxing / review of those. But yeah, today we're gonna be going to this reservoir called, I think it's just called Hartford Reservoir or something, and it's really pretty. It's gonna be my first time there, but you're allowed to drone there, so I'm really excited. It's like a 3-mile hike, it's pretty short, but I'm really excited to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a vlog all about this backpack, my vlogging backpack, and I'm gonna be going on another adventure when I do it, so you can see it in action. Because this is a fairly new backpack. I got it like 2 months ago or something. My older sister sold it to me because it used to be hers, and she sold it to me like 2 months ago. And I wasn't really using it for vlogging. I was using it to carry like a lot of my camera gear, but I wasn't really using it for when I went on my adventures and stuff until I figured out how to strap the drone to it. So that's really helpful for me. So yeah, I'll do a video on that. How's your walk? I like your sweater, Nuki. I like your sweater.
It's casual.
Oh, it's so soft. Nuki, do you like it? They got the dog a new sweater. So soft. Nuki, you look so stylish. It's really windy. We're going through CVS because the restaurant is on the other side. My grandma keeps getting lost, so we're just gonna meet her at the restaurant. She's at school.
You come into the same thing with me and Marley.
Yeah.
Marley put the magnifying glass at my teeth. She said.
This shirt is a pajama shirt. It's huge.
Grandma took all the candies and put it in her pocket. I say you talk too much.
Yeah. Bye. We were gonna go on a walk in the Hartford reservoir, but now it's a little cold, so they don't really want to walk. So we're just gonna go to.
We're going to go to the Hartford reservoir, but we're going to drone.
We're gonna just drone. We're not gonna walk because we just ate and we're really lazy.
This place is built to capture water. There's actually 6 of them in West Hartford, and they never actually use it. It's really for an emergency, but if they're ever were running short on water, drinking water, they would pull from these reservoirs. So they're only built to collect water.
This ice, snowy ice kind of. It is really windy, so we're gonna try to fly it. This is a good place though because there's not a lot of trees, but it is kind of windy though. It was just super cool. Over the summer, we should definitely come back. This is a good place because there's not a lot of trees, and it's probably really pretty in the summer. Yeah, you can go all down there. Also, just like through here and above the trees and everything. But it's just really windy today. Yeah, we don't want to lose this. It was a good try. We'll come back. Yeah, we'll come back over the summer or some warmer day. It's like very, very cold today. Like my hands are freezing. Can we try it? Yeah. This is a really nice area though.
Let's
see it over here. Ooh, this is a nice place. Here, let me take some pictures.
Oh, look at the water. Is that snow or ice?
That's ice. Has Mom tried to fly it?
Here.
Not today. Not today.
Yeah, no, she's here.
I'm scared.
All right, Lex, I want.
Okay, so it's up there right now, and it's not super windy right now.
You make it go forward.
This one. Here, no, go up. You can fly into a tree.
No, I'm not gonna fly into a tree. I'm trying to get.
Make sure it's a good height up, so it doesn't. daylight time in, but it was getting a little bit windy and it's cold, so. Okay, we got home. I napped in the car, so I was sleeping in the car. I'm so tired, but we're home now. So I'm gonna do some English because I haven't done English in a while, and I have English on Friday. But thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like my stuff. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.